There is an urgency that they have proceeded with the recruitment. Recruitment was slightly over. Certain recruitment transport transport. They are okay. What is the case? That is already declared. On that. What is 46? The doctor in the bench. Pastor, I made a mention in the planet things for you just bench. Thereafter, the back of it posted to this early. It is dead. They are not saying that. They are not the recruitment. Yes, why not? I'm ready. Let you not make it. Scored twice, scored almost the first school teacher. Yes. Not that any order. You cannot be the guy. Become infectious. And I will say you can become infectious. Yeah, what piratical, what I'm saying. Ratings are toxic. They are sitting with the recruitment now. Instead of recruitment, the letter has already recruitment process over. Report has covered 2023. These pictures by November 2020. After the selection process is over. Under no notification has been issued. For the recruitment for research. Just briefly explain what is accident. What they have done. Otherwise, Monday we have it. So that Advocate General can appear, no? Somebody said. Their identification before the passport page. Today to Monday, any difference? I don't know. Take it. It's not big. Nobody from the government also now. It is only American responsibility. Four procedure. You are 1 minute, sir. No, sir. You are challenging your customer 46. Then, when you are challenging the rules, the state must defend it. We must at least hear. That's right, but we must hear. You also. Now, hundreds of candidates were declared up by improper exercise of what? You are supporting 46 or no? Selection process is concerned, the procedure in which we have a selection process is not a very they are the part of conditions. They are waiting the contagious because contagious category. What is the contagious? Means some as a unit 1, some as a unit 2. There are only 1 and 2 units. 1 and 2 units. Entire state. Only 2 units. When they are undertaking the exercise, they say that you are a local to be particular and distinct. That unit, therefore, you will be treated as a local only that unit. That is okay, not unit. You must take unit. This is a simple case. That's what you go for. Yes, it's in the condition that by the OC. That's what. You mean to say, that by the again, districts are being looked at. It is not a partnership. Not so that earlier law, presidential order, each district or each zone is a water compartment. Question of district or they made it as a contagious district. So the same argument has to be accepted. Unit itself is a unit. There can't be further classification which is a unit. Yes. Whereas we are recruited as per the case of your situation, not as per you go 46. No, what is the understanding of 46? 46 created district as contagious district unit for the purpose of recruitment. District is the basis for selection. But posting and all other things we have to do. Then this constable post is a decadent post or unit wise post. That's the point you must answer. What will not happen because of recruitment? No, not like that. What is not like that. This constable post is a unit post or district post? Other than concentration. There are 3 kinds of constables. In this case, why are you recruiting? Because there are no 3 police constables. Why are not? Just explaining what is the police. What you saw constable, there are 3 of constable. One is civil, one is air, and another is special police. One is civil and air is considered district, but the police commissioner is a unit. Each district is a separate but commissionerate. Commissionerate. Commissionerate is a unit. Suppose, let us say, Rajya or something, your commissionerate are there. It must be overlapping two districts, then how do you deal with that? No, it is organized in the commissionerate area. Commissionerate area is divided in the commissionerate area. Right, not based on district. Apollo police, it's not based on district. Okay. Commissionerate is SP area. Okay. Now, as per the city area, okay. The police concerned, Parkins is declared two districts. There is one each post, there is special police station. Short area. Where are you? Near to create subdivision basing on that you got this issue. As per Chief of 46, we have mentioned now after the selection process is over, and after the entire thing is over, now they challenge you. Now I sufficient equipment what is concerned. Equipment what is concerned, we have attended selection and after selection the entire selection process is over, now they cannot challenge the process. What was the notification say? 46 only. So they have not challenged the notification. Right, selection process they have not challenged. After selection process they have challenged. Okay, wait till contestant. May because this is not a regular notification. And then tomorrow notification. Tomorrow. No problem. Tomorrow. My friend now. One minute. Then the notification will be either this or the going to be over. Other aspects when you made across. Notification whether it is in accordance with notification. Page 68. This is notification. Then overlay at page 70 is this. Yes. Distribution of vacancies for continuous cadre post 24. This is the special policy. Cadre 1, cadre 2. There is no district-wise notification issue. It is unified. Yes, sir. And whether page 69 for government department, they have made it district cadre post. So 2A to 3 are not each other. But 24, board number 24, it is changed. Earlier it was cadre post. Now they made it cadre 2 only. So other classification is not purchased. It's not purchased. I think it came on the same thing. So the only idea is at one time you could have challenged the point. Which one would I have to state my approach also? I was never brought what is the GOs. Right. Okay. When the GO is up. Right. Because GO, I cannot apply no level. It's not available. By GO. Right. Next. Election process. Yes. 18 services free.